welcome you all to another online math class. All right, we'll be solving these questions. These questions, let's see. Okay, it's on direct proportion. The first question says, if y varies directly as x and y equals to 10 when x equals 5, find the constant of proportionality. Okay, fine. Direct variation. What's direct variation? Direct variation simply means if we say x varies directly as y. It simply means if x gets bigger, y gets bigger. If x gets smaller, y gets smaller. So x varies directly as y. The constant of proportionality, we use k to represent that, right? Use k to represent that. So we can actually say here that k equals x over y. That's from here. You divide both sides by y, right? You get x over y equals to k. But in this question, it said y varies directly as x. So it's going to be y varies directly as x. This is now going to be y equals to kx. Divide both sides by x. You get k equals to y over x. All right. Since we're looking for the constant of proportionality from the first question, we just need to apply this formula. Just need to apply this formula. All right, let's try that now. Applying this formula for this question number 1, we can say k equals to y over x. K equals to what y? Y is 10. And what x? X is 5. We just substitute value of y as 10 and value of x as 5 here. Reducing that, we know that k is what? 2. Easy peasy, very simple, right? Very simple. Okay, let's look at the next question. Let's look at the next question. Here, you see, here is if y varies directly as x. Okay, y is varying directly as x, and y is 10 when x is 3. Find y when x is 6. When x equals 6. Okay, you don't need to start going through a long process because I told you here we try to make maths easy to solve. You just use just a little very simple formula. Since y varies directly as x, I know that k equals y over x. You can simply use y1 over x1 equals to what? y2 over x2. Now, this formula can be used when you're not looking for the constant of proportionality. If you're not looking for the constant of proportionality, you can use this formula, right? To just get your answer straight up. Okay, let's apply this formula here, where we say, for number 2 question, where we say y equals to 10. So this y1, this x1, and we're looking for y2 and this x2. So let's say y1 is 10, that's 10 over x1 is what? 3. Okay, let's just put 3 here, equals to, we're looking for y2, just put it down there, y2, when x2 is what? 6. x2 is 6. So all you just need to do here is just, cross multiply. 3 multiply y2, that's 3y. Okay, now 6 times 10 gives you what? 60. So divide both sides by 3. Here is 20. Y equals to 20. Easy, right? Very simple. Very simple. Okay, I want you to try the last question there. Just leave your answer in the comment section. Bye bye.